Alright, what's up guys? ¿Qué tal amigos? Aquí estamos en un Target. As you can see, it's pretty empty. On this side, como pueden ver, está vacío en esta sección de aquí. Got some micro machines. They have some Matchbox. Not really interested in those. And they have some cool 5-packs. Tienen estos paquetes de 5. Really cool. Let's take a look over here. Y nada más aquí. So this is a new one. Let's see what else they have. Vamos a ver qué más tienen. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nada por aquí amigos. Nothing here. Check this out. Not bad. Oh, check this one out. Now, this one's nice. This is the 2000 Nissan 350Z. Really cool. I'm sorry, this is a 2003 Nissan 350Z. Really cool. Definitely taking this one. Definitivamente nos vamos a llevar este amigos. Miren nada más. Let's take this one. So check this out. I also have some of this stuff. I don't know what this is. They have some Master Jam. Tiene un poquito de Monster Jam. Nada más. Check this out. Pretty cool. Looks like these have the neon tires. Parece que estas tienen las llantas de neón amigos. Muy chidas. So we have a little bit of more Monster Jam over here. Tenemos un poco de Monster Jam. We have some Ninja Turtle stuff. Tenemos troquitas de las tortugas ninja. This one's really cool. Este está padre. Really, this one's cool. So this one has the Hot Wheels Racing Team decals on both trucks. This one's really cool. I might take this one. And we have another one here. Really cool. Yeah, this one's definitely well worth taking. We have a little bit more Ninja Turtle stuff. Tenemos más trocas de Ninja Turtles. Check this out. Sorry guys, I had to stop because there was a Target employee that came in and I had to stop recording, but I did pick these up really quick. Let me show them to you. I picked them up really quick. So there you go guys. So it looks like this is pretty much it. Not a bad start for a Sunday. So you guys have a good rest of your Sunday. You guys take care and I'll see you guys in the next video.